So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame, after making a retest on this major resistance key level, it faced this strong price rejection and closed this week with this bearish engulfing candle. Now this could either be a pullback move after this bullish engulfing move in respect to this uptrend channel, and GBPJPY could continue to push up from here after finding support over here, or if GBPJPY does continue to push down with further bearish momentum, then it could come all the way down to make another retest on this uptrend line once again. Now if you go to 1 day time frame, then you can see GBPJPY after making a breakout of this major key zone, it came all the way down to make a retest on this key level, which has these multiple retest points, and also which was the resistance of the ranging phase in between this key level to this key level, in which GBPJPY has been ranging for a while before it made a breakout of that ranging phase to come all the way retest this major resistance level over here. Now GBPJPY is once again retesting that resistance of that ranging phase over here. Now we have these two key levels or zones where GBPJPY might continue to come down to if it does continue to push down with further bearish momentum, and we have this key zone which might act as GBPJPY's recent resistance in its attempt to continue to pushing down. However, if it does make a breakout of this key zone, then that might indicate that GBPJPY made its pullback over here and is continuing this uptrend line to retest any of these key zones over here. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see this downtrend line which GBPJPY has been moving in respect to while moving in this bearish engulfing move, and also you can see the similar key zones and key levels that you saw on the daily to weekly time frame. Now after a retest on this key level with this bearish move, GBPJPY started to form a small structure by facing support at this key level and resistance at this key level, which has this multiple retest points as you can see from here. Now we're going to look for trace on the breakout of this small structure that GBPJPY formed on a 4-hour time frame. So on the upcoming week, if GBPJPY continues to respect this key level as its resistance and makes a break and close below this support level with further bearish momentum on a 30-minute time frame, then we can start to look for trace on the short side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this next key level and zones, which we drew on the basis of the multiple retest points that these key levels and zone has, which you can also see on the daily time frame right around here and here, and you can see how obvious these key levels are to be retested if GBPJPY does continue to push down with further bearish momentum and also make a retest on this uptrend line once again. However, if GBPJPY, instead of making a break and close below this support level, if it does find support over here and makes a break and close above this resistance with further bullish momentum, then it would also be a breakout of this downtrend line, and in that case we can start to look for trace on the long side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way up to make a retest on these key zones over here. And also another thing to notice here is that GBPJPY also formed a head and shoulder pattern right around here, and after the breakout of that head and shoulder pattern's neckline, it continued to push down to retest this key level over here. So if GBPJPY, after making a retest on this key level, if it even makes a break and close above that key zone, then it would be making a break and close above a pretty significant key zone, which was the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and that might lead GBPJPY to come retest this key zone or this key level which you saw on the daily time frame right around here and here, and that might also be the continuation of this uptrend line or this uptrend channel that GBPJPY has been respecting for a really long time. However, for now, on a shorter time frame point of view, GBPJPY looks really bearish with all this bearish momentum. So we're gonna wait to see in which direction GBPJPY makes a break and close out of from this structure, and then look for trace on the long side or on the short side. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can always contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.